Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to explore the concept of standard deviation, and we will understand that how it differs from the variance. And both of these measures are crucial for analyzing data dispersion, so let's get started. So standard deviation is a measure of the amount of the variation or dispersion in a set of values, and it provides us with the indication of how spread out the values in a data set are from the mean. So to calculate the standard deviation, first we need to calculate the variance, and then we will find the standard deviation and consider this is a data set. So first we will calculate the mean, and the mean of our data set is 5.2. Now we will find the deviation of each value from the mean, and this is how we will subtract each value one by one from 5.2. We will square each deviation. So the final answer of the squared deviation is 14.8. So in our case, we will calculate the sample variance. So we will divide by n minus 1. So this is how we will write sum of the values, and then we will write n minus 1, that is 4. And the answer we got is 3.7. And we will simply take the square root of the variance. The standard deviation of our data set is approximately 1.92. So now let's discuss the difference between variance and standard deviation. Both provides the insights into the spread of the data, but they do so in slightly different ways. Variance gives us the average of the squared deviation from the mean. It expressed in squared units, which can sometimes make it less intuitive to interpret. For example, if you are measuring height in centimeter, the variance would be in square centimeters. And if we talk about standard deviation, so it is the square root of the variance. This brings the unit back to the original scale of the data, and it makes it easier to understand. So variance and standard deviations are closely related, and standard deviation is most often preferred because it's more intuitive and easier to interpret. So standard deviation is widely used in various fields. In quality control, standard deviation helps in understanding consistency of manufacturing processes, and a lower standard deviation indicates the product measurements are more consistent. So these are a few of the practice sums. Try to do it and comment down the answer below. So that's all for today's class. Thanks for watching.